and I'm just looking at the next circuit in the RadioShack Electronics Learning Lab manual. On page 37 of book 1, and this is using capacitors and a keyboard, which is down here, to control the tone frequency. So I'm using these capacitors to control the tone frequency with this resistor too. I think there's a slight error in this circuit the way it's in the book, at least as far as my understanding goes, because it has it says look at these ceramic capacitors, 0.47 microfarad and 0.1 microfarad, and then this electrolytic capacitor, 0.47 microfarad. Okay, but then when you get here, so this is C2 and C3, it's ceramic. But then when you get to C2 and C3, it talks about positive and negative, which are only what the electrolytic capacitor has. Okay, so I just, there is a 0.47 electrolytic, and instead of a 0.1 microfarad electrolytic, I used a 1 microfarad. So I think this might be wrong in the book, or this part's wrong. One of them's wrong, I think. But anyway, so I substituted some close electrolytic capacitors for these since it talked about positive and negative. Okay? But anyways, what's going to happen is when I turn the circuit on, you will hear nothing because I removed a previously used 0.1 microfarad ceramic capacitor that was between these springs. But I removed that this says to do. Okay, so I'm going to turn the unit on. And like I said, I took out the 0.1 microfarad ceramic capacitor that was here. So when I did that, the tone stopped. Now when I press these buttons, you'll hear tones. You can hold more than one together. Okay, so that's using capacitors and a keyboard to change the tone frequency. And this works on the so-called 555 black box circuit, which is kind of the guts of this. That's on page 19 of the book. Alright, well thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.